You still recording?
Yep.
Are you in the market for a used Royal Enfield Himalayan, but you're finding that everything that you see is too expensive? People have been taking too good care of their bikes and there's no good deals to be made. Because people taking good care of their bikes means you pay more. This is Pooja and I haven't taken good care of her at all. So compared to other bikes, she is a total piece of... Should he have got bark busters? Probably. But bent brake levers and busted bar ends just save you more money. Most people when they pick up a new bike are scared of that first drop. This bike comes pre-dropped for your peace of mind.
Ooh. Wow, that was spectacular.
The bash plate comes pre-bashed. And the crash bars come pre-crashed. Oh. Twisted handlebars? Perfect for the rider with one arm shorter than the other. Now with a free bride. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, why would I buy a bike without wing mirrors? The Himalayan's a bike about going forwards, not looking backwards. Where we're going, you don't need wing mirrors. Do you actually need wing mirrors? You seem like the kind of person who might have a lot of stuff. Well, this bike's got baggage racks. And if you like baggage racks, then you might also like panniers. Not displayed here, but we will throw those in. Ah, I was hoping you'd spot those. And before we start bandying around terms like scratches or dents even, let's talk about individuality. Well, this bike's got it in spades. We've got individuality on the tank. We've got individuality on the windshield. We've got individuality on the heat shield. And basically every part of the bike that protrudes. And maybe you're thinking, well, that might be too much individuality. Well, have no fear, because this bike's still got 12 months of valid Royal Enfield warranty. Now, some people like their bikes to tip over for no reason.
Ooh.
But not us. So we've taken the liberty of shortening the side stand. So the question on everyone's lips, with a bike like this, why sell it? We're planning to ride around the world and thought, what better bike to take than a Himalayan? Himalayan. What better bike to do that than a Himalayan? But apparently someone's already thought of that, so there goes that plan. You might be expecting to pay top dollar for a bike as unique as this. Well, let me tell you, we're not expecting medium dollar. And if you've got a similarly feature-laden DR650, we might not be expecting any dollar at all. Make us an offer. Seriously, please make us an offer.